Hello everyone, how are you? How to speak English fluently? Most important sentences with Nepali meaning. So let's begin. मलाई कहीँ पठाइयो. I was sent somewhere. I was sent somewhere. मलाई तल हेर्दा चक्कर आउँछ. I feel giddy when I look down. I feel giddy when I look down. If you haven't yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe right now for more new videos. अहिलेसम्म च्यानल सब्सक्राइब नगरेको भए च्यानल सब्सक्राइब गर्नुहोला. म तिमीलाई पढ्न दिन्न. I will not let you study. I will not let you study. सागर तिमी बीचमा नआऊ, यिनीहरूलाई लड्न देऊ. Sagar, you don't interfere, let them fight. Sagar, you don't interfere, let them fight. आफ्नो वचनदेखि नहट्नुहोस्. Don't back out your promise. Don't back out your promise. पुलिसले मनोजलाई गिरफ्तार गरिसक्यो. The police have arrested Manoj. The police have arrested Manoj. पुलिसले मनोजलाई लिएर जाँदैछ. The cops are taking Manoj away. The cops are taking Manoj away. म खुसी हुन चाहन्छु. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. तपाईलाई यसको लागि माफी माग्नको कुनै जरुरत छैन. You don't need to apologize for that. You don't need to apologize for that. यो भन्दा राम्रो मौका पाइने छैन. You won't find a better chance. You won't find a better chance. यस्तो कहिले पनि नसोच्नु. Don't even think so. Don't even think so. उसको सँगसँगै उसको परिवार पनि पढे लेखेको छ. He as well as his family is educated. He as well as his family is educated. तिमीले मलाई धेरै बेरदेखि भनिरहेका छौ केही भन्नु छ तर किन भन्दैनौ. You have been telling me for the long time that you want to say something. Why don't you tell me? You have been telling me for the long time that you want to say something. Why don't you tell me? पंखाको रफ्तार कम गर. Decrease the speed of the fan. Decrease the speed of the fan. बुझ्नु भयो कि नाइ? Have you understood or not? Have you understood or not? यदि मसँग हजुरको सम्पर्क नम्बर भइदिएको भए म हजुरलाई अवश्य कल गर्थे. If I have your contact number, I would definitely call you. If I had your contact number, I would definitely call you. यो एउटा सानो कुरा हो. It is just a trivial matter. It is just a trivial matter. यो गर्नमा कुनै घाटा छैन. There is no harm in doing this. There is no harm in doing this. ऊ यति बहादुर छ कि बाघसँग नि लड्न सक्छ. He is such a brave man that he can fight with lion. He is such a brave man that he can fight with lion. म यति खुसी छु कि मैले भन्न सक्दिनँ. I can't express the joy I felt. I can't express the joy I felt. If you haven't yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe right now and comment below. कमेन्ट गर्नुहोला तल. विपरीत परिस्थितिले हजुरको धैर्यको परीक्षा पनि लिन्छन्. Adversity can test your patience. Adversity can test your patience. Thank you for watching. र यो च्यानल सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला यसै प्रकारका नयाँ नयाँ भिडियो पाउनको लागि एभ्रीडे हामी चाहिँ प्रत्येक दिन भिडियो चाहिँ पोस्ट गरिरहेका हुन्छौँ। फेरि अर्को भिडियोमा भेट गरौँला। सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम। बाई, टेक केयर।